Welcome to Tustin High School, home of the Tillers. Tustin High School offers cutting-edge career technical education pathways, providing students with the opportunity to explore career interests, develop skills through real-world application, and strengthen college and career readiness. CTE courses offer certifications and fulfill A to G requirements necessary for college admissions. For students interested in the health field, a 4-course biomedical pathway is offered, providing students the opportunity to explore the knowledge and skills needed for careers in the medical industry, including medicine, public health, biomedical forensics, and biomedical engineering. Students practice valuable employability skills such as critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity while studying the processes, structures, and interaction of the human body. The engineering pathway is offered through the award-winning T-Tech Academy, allowing students to explore mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering and manufacturing. This multifaceted program includes a SolidWorks certification, award-winning competition team, as well as a coveted summer internship at Boeing. Bring your ideas to life in this hands-on STEM experience. Tustin High School offers 4 pathways within the arts, media, and entertainment sector. Students explore their creative ambitions and the science of digital art and design in the graphic design pathway. Coursework develops the skills needed for future careers in digital marketing, branding, and design. Students create individual projects as well as work in groups to elevate collaboration and strengthen design, marketing, and presentation skills. Student work is showcased at annual art shows and in competitions. The visual imagery pathway allows students to dive into the art and mechanics of storytelling through media. Professional careers in the digital marketing, photography, and branding industry are explored, and students use a wide variety of content as their subjects and industry-grade equipment and software to edit and perfect their vision. Show the world what life looks like through your lens in the visual imagery pathway. The film and video production pathway sets the stage for students to write, direct, create, edit, and produce a wide variety of media, and prepares students for future careers such as film editors, sound technicians, broadcasters, directors, and more. Students produce the weekly broadcast, which is aired to students and staff at their school site, as well as capture footage of campus events. Develop your skills and build your professional portfolio in film and video production. Students in the music technology pathway advance through 3 courses developing the foundational skills needed to create and mix music. Students hone in on the skills needed for future careers such as sound engineer, recording specialist, audio director, and music producer. Do you have an ear for music? Enroll in the music technology pathway and let us hear what you're all about. Future Tillers, your best first step in becoming college and career ready is into one of Tustin High School's CTE pathways.